Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Hannah. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Yeah. And how are you today, Hannah?
I'm happy.
Alright. So Hannah, today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's begin. So first we have numbers. So Hannah, can you tell me what number is it?
It's number 2.
This one?
It's number 8. It's number 6.
And what number is it?
It's number 9. It's number 10.
Alright, so Hannah, can you tell me what color is number 4? What color is it?
Yellow.
Good. And what color is number 2? What color is number 2? It's
Green.
good job. Alright. Okay, so Hannah, let's move to the next one. Can you tell me how many apples are there, Hannah?
5 apples.
No. How many apples are there? There.
There are 5 apples.
Good. And how many balls are there?
There are 8 more.
Okay, 8 balls. Alright. Let's go to the next one. So, Hannah, can you tell me how old is he?
He is 9 years old.
And how about her? How old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Good job. Let's move to feelings. Hannah, can you tell me how are you here?
I'm cold.
Okay, yeah, cold. And how are you here?
I'm angry.
Right. And this one?
I'm scared.
Yeah, scared. Good. This one, how are
I'm
you?
hot.
Good. Okay, let me ask you one more. And are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not.
Are you cold?
Yes, I am.
Oh, good job. So, Hannah, can you tell me how is he?
He is happy.
And how about her? How is she?
She is sick.
Good job. Let's move to the phonics part. Hannah, can you tell me what letter is it?
Letter A.
And A for?
Apple.
And what letter is it?
Letter B.
B for?
Ball. Bat.
Back.
Bat.
And what letter is it?
Letter C.
C for?
Cat.
And?
Cat.
Car. And do you like cats, Hannah?
Yes.
And do you like dogs?
No.
No, okay, no dogs. And how about capybara? Do you like capybara?
Yes.
Can you tell me what letter is it, Hannah?
Letter D.
D for?
The red. No.
Doll. And?
The red.
Dress.
Dress.
Good. Dress, not the red. What letter is it?
Letter E.
E for?
Elephant.
And?
N.
Good job. And the last one, what letter is that? Letter,
F.
yeah, F for? F for?
Frog.
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 And?
5.
Good. Number 5. Alright. Well done, Hannah. Give me a high five. Good job. I'll see you later.